Do you want quick access to important accessibility features right from your navigation bar? On the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can easily add an accessibility button to make things faster and more convenient. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Settings icon. Scroll down the screen to find Accessibility. Tap Accessibility, then tap Advanced Setting. Tap Accessibility button. Under the Location section, choose Navigation bar. As you can see, at the bottom right of the screen, you will see the Accessibility button added here. By doing this, you can easily access to accessibility shortcut like magnifier, color adjustment, or else by tapping this button without covering your screen, so everything will stay neat and easy to reach. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.